Hi, welcome to our Intelli-Force technology Magentix Florlox installation system. Today we're going to be installing 4mm rubber tiles by utilizing our magnetically receptive sheeting system. Today we're going to be installing this over our magnetically receptive coating called Power-Force Prep, which is currently installed on the floor, and we're going to show the ease of using a current magnetic system that's on the floor and how we can remove the LVT that's installed and then reinstall rubber on top of it. Power-Force Prep is our magnetically receptive skim coat, which is currently down on the floor, but you can also use one of our other three magnetically receptive coatings, which is our sky blue system, our quick res acrylic coat system, or our quick res colors system. Okay, now that the Sojourn magnetic LVT has been removed from the floor, you can see we have the exposed floor with the Power-Force Prep that was previously put down on the floor. This was installed over existing porcelain tile that was here that we did not have to demo. We were able to put the Power-Force Prep right on top and then install on top of it. Now we're going to put the Florlox magnetic sheets on top of this floor and then the rubber on top of that. Now you can see how the rubber tile is adhered to the magnetic sheet below, which is magnetized to the Power-Force Prep, and how easily this rubber now pulls up off the floor and gets installed right back down. This magnetic bond with the rubber flooring will only get stronger over time. Now this concludes our rubber installation demonstration. If you'd like more information, you can go to our website, www.intelliforcemagnetics.com, or you can contact your local sales representative.